Hello everybody.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, do you remember this word? Tane anh chămពាក្យទាំងអស់នេះបានហើយឬនៅ
Yes,
I do.
I do.
Okay. So, yeah, Bona, stand up and spell the word tang. Tang I spell. Tang.
Okay.
រត់ពីដែករត់ក្រោះយ៉ាសុកលី Please spell the word fork leaf.
I spell F-O-R-K-L. Fork. L-I-F-T. Fork.
Translate បកប្រែ Okay, that's right. Now, Srainik, spell the word container. 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 Yeah, land container. Okay, that's right. ត្រឹមត្រូវ Yeah, ពិសិដ្ឋបើកភ្នែកប្រុងតាកិច្ច Yeah, ពិសិដ្ឋ spell the word lorry. L, not L. No. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, lan thôn thông. Yeah. No. What's your name? Reksa. Spell the word tractor.
Tractor, I spell T-R-A-C-T-O-R. Tractor, tractor.
Okay. You are well done. And yeah, Mr. Wan. How old are you? How old are you? 10 years old. Spell the word cyclo. C-L-O, not L. L. Okay, cyclo, that's right. Panya. How old are you? Now, do you have sister? មានបងប្អូនស្រីអត់ No, I don't. Okay. Yeah. Panya, spell the word sailboat.
Sailboat, I spell S-A-I-L.
Sail.
Sail, B-O-A-T, boat, sailboat, plan pet.
No, that is not right. Sailboat is. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. You. What's your name? How old are you, Tina?
I'm 11 years old.
What grade are you in? រៀនថ្នាក់ទីប្រមាណ
In grade 5.
Yeah, in grade 5. Yeah, spell the word balloon.
Balloon, I spell B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon, ballon.
Okay, that's right.